Here is an example of a solid board installation procedure. Route the board according to the dimensions provided by WallSmart or according to the DXF file provided by WallSmart. The next step is to sand the board and paint the board. Install the wall mount on the back side of the board. Mount the board to the wall. Attach the device adapter plate to the device. Connect and insert the device. To remove the device, push in its top or bottom edges. Calibrate the mount depth